Hello, good evening, friends and dear students. Today I'm going to give you some tips about the life and the journey of life I want to give you. And in this video, I want to tell you the some significance of the time. Okay, somewhere the students find this what they find. Sometimes they find that is it's very difficult to manage their time. Okay, they are not able to cope up with the time. Okay, that is the so many students I came across that they are not able to manage their time, and what they are doing, they are just wasting their time. They are not studying. Too much time they are wasting, like they are using the cell phone, watching the TV, or the wasting time on the games. All But dear student, what I want to say, that is the this time is one of the most precious things for us. Okay, whatever the time which we got. Okay, this time we have to utilize it very safely, very carefully, because once the time is passed, you will not be able to understand about the time. Once the time will pass, you will not able to get back that time. Okay, so whatever the time is given, that time you have to utilize very effectively way. Okay, for that I want to give you some incident. Okay, for the time that everyone is getting the 24 hours in a day, 24 hours. Some student or some persons, out of 24 hours, around 15 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours, 18 hours maximum they are utilizing there in a study, or they are in the creative work, or some other way. In the same way, some people are also they are wasting their time, like that 15 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours, 18 hours on the phone, on watching TV, watching movie, watching laptop, spending time on the friend circle. This all is the wasting, student. You cannot make your life better by doing these all things. The time which is running is the very cutthroat competition is there, student. Okay, you have to realize that crores and crores of people are fighting for the same what you are doing. Suppose you are trying for the JEE exam, you are trying for the NEET exam, or some other exam also you are trying. You can feel the competition, you can feel the rush. Okay, where the you will go down, you will be out of the race if you get the 1 marks less. you know Even minute mistake create the big difference, big gap between you and other student. So what we have to utilize your time in such a way, more effective way, so that you can do something better in your life. Student, one more thing is there. If you are not trying to understand this, okay, if you are wasting your time in such a way, without plan, proper timetable, anything, so at the end what you will do, when the exam will come, what you will do, you will cry. Okay, but after crying, saying I don't have time, I didn't start early, I didn't think like this way, there is no way for that. There is no way for that. Everything you have to plan, in such systematic way, so that the at the end, when the exam will come, you with the flying colors. You can go with the flying colors. Your smile will come on your face. But when you are not having the proper plan, okay, proper practice of the time, you firstly you have to understand what is the time is all about. Okay, those who are managing their time, they can reach very fast on their goal. Those who are not managing their time, what they will do? Okay, sometimes I find the student, they are sleeping by 4 o'clock, woke up by 11 o'clock. What is this? Is a waste of time. Yeah, you sleep early, woke up early, so you can morning time you can utilize in the effective way. That is the, in Hindi it is called Brahma Bela. In the morning time is called Brahma Bela. All the effective radiation, energetic radiation is coming in the morning time, where the entropy of the universe is very less. Okay, randomness is very less, everything is silent. Okay, the concentration level will be very high in the morning time, so we have to use that time in such a way No, some students are doing whole night they are studying. Huge yaar. Whole night. No, night is for sleeping yaar. You have to understand night for sleeping. Okay. That a natural biological clock is something also. Okay. You cannot break the nature, law of the nature. Whatever the time is there, you sleep at that time. Morning you woke up and you study. Okay. Like that. Least is there in the morning time. Okay. At that time you study. Do the meditation. Utilize the time. Okay. So this way you can do the time management. Some incidents are there, student, like that. The other factor I'm going after time. The other factor is their practice. Okay. So some examples are there from the practice. Neil Armstrong's. Neil Armstrong. He went on the moon first time. And he returned back. Okay, successfully landed. So when the media person asked from him that how was the journey when you went in the moon, there is a zero gravity, how tough it was. So what the Neil Armstrong replied, we cannot even imagine how he replied. He replied it was just like a another practice session. In media people when they ask, he just reply it was just another practice session. You can see student, you can imagine student how much practice he put it in, okay, to acquire that much of courage. Even he went, what the speed, what is the gravity, how they survive and returning back. But what he said, so very very simple, it's just like another practice session. So can you check the mental level of this person? Huh? Same way, the another successful person, you go anyone, you can check the Ratan Tata, you can say Anil Ambani, Mukesh, Mukesh Ambani, not I'm not saying the Anil Ambani, or even not you are taking Mukesh Ambani, you can take the Dhirubhai Ambani or any other person. Okay, Sachin Tendulkar, how they struggle. Virat Kohli interview I was watching on that day. So what the Virat Kohli, when he was playing the Ranji Trophy match, his father died. When his father died and he was playing on the 80 score, so he got the news that my father died. Okay, at that time, if my father died or your father died or anyone father died, there is a no roof for us. If someone is dying who is taking care of us, if he died, where we will go? We cannot think, our mind will be snubbed. So but in that situation, what Virat Kohli said, I want to play next day. He said, I want to play. So he did not return back to his father's funeral. In spite of that, he played. What at the end of he said in the Aapki Adalat, he said that is, I was knowing that what has happened, it's happened. I cannot bring him back. The only things I can do, I can fulfill his desire, his dream, and my dream also. So he played well. Next day he won the match. And conclusion he gave that if you want to do anything in your life, nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you. This is the things which I learned from Virat Kohli. In nowadays, Virat Kohli, he take for the one advertisement, he asked 5 crores. 5 crores. One advertisement he asked 5 crores. Can you imagine, friend? I will do whole life, I will spend my whole life, but I will not be able to earn 5 crores. But for half an hour, 20 minutes advertisement, he asked 5 crores. I cannot earn 5 crores in my whole life. But what is the value of time? Can you imagine the value of time? His value of time is he invested that time, earliest time, in such an effective way so that he is able to earn. You know. So, dear student, what I means to you also dream a desire. You have some dreams in your life, so that you think that way. You want to go abroad. You want to settle abroad. You want to construct your own school. You want to construct your own hospital. You want to construct your own house, hotels, anything you want to do in your life. The basic investment you have to do is education. Basic things which you have to do: the education, time management, effectivity. Okay. So once you try to increase your interest in the subjects, so that it is said that is once a topper is always a topper. Once a topper. Once you top in the 11th standard, 12th standard, or any of the classes, so you will realize that you are topper for the throughout the lives. So I hope this video will be useful to you. You will try to study in the effective way. Okay, friend. Thank you so much for watching, friends.